I remember when I first started in business. Every morning I had a choice, yes, stay in my warm, comfortable bed or get up early to work on my dreams. Nobody was forcing me to get up. Nobody was checking if I showed up. But I knew something most people don't realize. Success doesn't sleep in. Time sacrifices, because this is where most people fumble the ball. Successful people treat time like the precious commodity it is. While others are watching the latest TV show, successful people are reading, learning, planning, working. While others are complaining about Monday morning, successful people are already halfway through their most important tasks. What's fascinating? Most people spend more time planning their vacations than planning their lives. Think about that. They'll spend hours looking for the best hotel deal, but won't spend 15 minutes planning their day. Successful people, they sacrifice, they go with the flow lifestyle. They become masters of their time, not victims of it. I had a friend who wanted to start a business. He told me, I'll work on it when I have time. I said, you'll never have time. You have to make time. He didn't like that answer, but 6 months later, he thanked me. He started getting up 2 hours earlier every day. Was it comfortable? No. Did he enjoy it at first? Absolutely not. But he understood something crucial. You don't find time for important things, you make time. Style choices, because this is where it gets really interesting. Successful people make different choices about how they live their lives. They drive used cars while saving for investments. They live in modest homes while building their businesses. They pack lunches while others eat out every day. I remember talking to a successful businessman who told me something profound. He said, for the first